Matthew Ladd here. This week on T.N.T. Trucks and Tips, I'm going to take you through the controls, the simple menu controls on an Espar engine block heater. An Espar engine block heater can be installed on a PACCAR or a Cummins engine. In this case, it was installed by the great team at Thermo King. It's going to take you basically through the menu, but what an engine block heater does is it heats the engine block. So when you get in the truck, one, you don't have a cold engine block, so it starts easier. And also your heating system is ready to operate. It's already at temp, and you get into a nice warm truck to start your day. Let's go through the EasyStart Pro system. Let's get this set up here. So first thing, if you just want to start it, all you have to do is hold this. And there you go, the red light on, the system is running. Now to control the menu, you have the back button here. And this is to toggle through the different settings. So I'll take you through the settings here. This is the heat setting. If you click on it here, you can turn it on and off. Let's turn it back on. And then when you're in this mode here, you can control the number of minutes you want it to run for. And I'll show you in a later step how you can pre-program it. But the maximum is 720 minutes, or just on all the time in case of the infinity symbol. Or you can go as low, go all the way down here. When you get into the lower minutes, you can control by the minute, but the shortest you can set is 10 minutes. Sorry, I went a little fast there, everybody. There you go. The shortest setting is 10 minutes. Now up here, you also have the fan controls, which you can also control and change the minutes setting on that. Then you go here, you can also change the settings here for the residual heat setting. In this case, it's checking. There's no residual heat on this truck. Here are your general settings, which is your date and time, which is very important to have the correct setting. Right now it's 9:25 on Saturday in Montreal. The reason it's important to have your date and time set to the correct setting is that if you go here in the timer, you have 3 different timer options. And what's great about this system is you can set it by the days of the week. So we'll go in here into the settings, we click on it, and we can say we want it to run Monday. Let's say we work Monday, Tuesday, we work weekdays, Tuesdays on, Wednesdays on. To turn it on and off, you simply click here. Thursday, Friday, and you know what? I'm taking the weekend off. So Saturday and Sunday, I'm off. And just like that, I say okay. And what time do I want it to start at? I start my day at 6 a.m. So I want this to start running at 4 a.m. Oh, not 4:59. I want to start at 4 a.m. There we go. I want to run the heater. I click here. And for how long do I want it to run? Let's say I start at 6, so I want it to run for 120 minutes. And I put it to on. And just like that, I've activated the first timer. Now you can have multiple timers set for multiple runs, depending on what you're doing, when you start, when you stop. Or if you simply want to turn it on, you just hold this for 2 seconds and it just turns on the heater if you're in the truck. So that's how you get through the timer settings there. And like I said, you have 3 different timers. You have the heat here, the fan, and the residual heat. Those are your other options that you can control with the Espar EasyStart Pro timer. And that's just a quick overview of how to set the timer on your EasyStart Pro engine block heater. That's T.N.T. Trucks and Tips for this week, and I'm Matthew Ladd. Stay tuned for more tips in the future. Thank you.